How to use a Walmart gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can use a Walmart gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to use a Walmart gift card online, open your browser and go to walmart.com and then make sure to sign into your account. Then once you're signed into the account, just add the products that you want to buy to your cart, and once you add them to your cart, tap the cart icon from the top right hand side of the screen and then just tap on the option right here known as continue to checkout. So tap the continue to checkout option here, and once you tap the continue to checkout option, all you have to do is just simply make sure to see all the options. Now you might be trying to redeem a gift card on Walmart, but in the checkout page you don't see any option to enter the gift card code. That is because any sort of codes on Walmart, which is a gift card, Visa, EBT card, can be entered in this box right here that says card number, and it might not be quite visible to you on the camera, but if you look under this pay with card section, one of the card icon over here is a gift card as well. So it means that even if it is a gift card, the way to redeem it is that you just enter the card number here and then just tap the continue option, and after that if it asks you for a CVV code, whatever else, you can give those information. But basically there is no option called gift card, but you have to enter the card number within this box, tap the continue option, and then your gift card of Walmart will get successfully redeemed online. This way you will be able to use your gift card online for Walmart. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.